Important consequence of climate change is the increase in extreme events, such as extreme droughts. These droughts have a negative impact on productivity and CO2 storage of forests and grasslands, but how bad this impact eventually is depends on multiple factors, like, for example, the fertility of the soil. And this is exactly the topic of my PhD. I will investigate if nutrient-rich ecosystems on land are more prone to drought than nutrient-poor ones. In part because plants on poor soils, they do invest more in their below-ground parts for taking up nutrients, which then allows them to acquire more of the remaining rare soil water. I will check this hypothesis by summarizing results from drought experiments worldwide, so through a meta-analysis, and by performing more detailed measurements at ongoing drought experiments where at the same time nutrients are manipulated. All of this is very relevant, not at least because the production of biomass, which is at the basis of all life, is affected by this extreme drought. And moreover, my research should ultimately help in answering the question to what extent terrestrial ecosystems will still be able to mitigate climate change in the future. As currently ecosystems on land offset about 30% of our carbon dioxide emissions, but it is highly unlikely this will still be the case in the future as climate extremes become more pronounced.